There's a saying that says, you have money, you have many friends. You have friends, it is because of your money. Well, I came to tell you that you can have friends without having money. You can have money without having friends. It is actually something else that actually brings friends closer to you. And that is, if you have value, you have friends. If you don't have value, you don't have friends. What value do you have to offer? You attract the kind of friends that comes around you. All friends comes because of a particular interest. One reason or the other, that is what attracted them, either deliberately or indeliberately. They're just interested in what you're doing. Just because they are interested, they would come around because of the value that you offer. But if you don't offer anything, definitely you will not attract many friends. That's just the honest truth. Check out, there are some people who have a lot of money, but they don't have a lot of friends because of the value they offer. So your friends will determine your value that you offer. The kind of value that is not available in the public space. So definitely check your value and you will actually know how you got to befriend your friend. A piece of advice to those who are looking for a friend. Don't be angry when you have your friends away or get, cut a link from you. Maybe possibly the values in that particular angle that attracted that your friend is gone. So your friend does not see any need of keeping you as a friend any longer. Move on, find new values to offer, and you also get people of interest to look for you. I think I've been able to make a good point that can help you